All right, so we just got a call, and someone wanted to relinquish their Parrot. And it just turns out that the Parrot is 8 years old, and when I asked where they got it from, they actually got the Parrot from my old store, my first store in Elgin. So that was pretty awesome. So we got a Parrot back here, and we're gonna see if he's friendly. They said he was friendly. Now, the thing with Parrots is Parrots, once they get older, they tend to be very cage aggressive, and that is normal. So he might actually go and try to bite me, but the trick is just to get him out, and then they will tame down once in the hand. So let's try this out. Whoa. He's just gotta grab him, just like that. And he's no longer biting.
But he's fine.
Again, the trick is with the Parrot is most of the time they are always cage aggressive. But if you get them off of their cage, they are better. Say hello. Say hi. See, ferocious on the cage and nice on the hand. Ferocious on the cage and nice on the hand. That is the trick with the Parrot. Step up. Whoop. Say hi.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. 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 Can she do hi or can she say hi?
She can say hi.
She can have an emotion.
Say hi.
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 Hi. Can you tell us hi?
Hi.
I did it!
Yay. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Not your
That's
Murphy.
Murph in the background.
Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi.
Kisses. Kisses.
Can she bite?
Kisses. All birds can bite, baby.
Except for baby bird. Is she a baby bird? Mom, can she bite or is she a baby?
Kisses.
Is Sky a baby?
Sort of, yes.
Oh, hi.
Kisses.
She loves you. Hi. What does she kind of like?
Say hi.
Hi. Mom, what does
Hi.
Sky like? Hi. Mom,
Are you
what does
eating?
Sky like?
Hi. Do you like that? Huh? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Hi, Ocean. Hi. I swear I heard it. Hello.
You want one?
Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Mama. I can't wait to go to Puerto Rico. You're going to Puerto Rico. You're going to be a Puerto Rican bird. You're going to have to get papers. Say bye, Mama. We recently took a trip to Texas. Here you will see a tarantula who greeted us on our trip and welcomed us to Texas. But we went to Texas to look for land for our future aviary and our future sanctuary. And to our dismay, the price of a piece of land has gone up incredibly since the pandemic started, and it seems that we will have to settle for a smaller piece of land right now than we anticipated, but that's okay because I am confident that we will be able to build up to where we want to be eventually. But here are some of the pieces of property that we saw. Texas was just such a beautiful, beautiful place. We were looking in southern Texas, and I just could not believe the scenery. It was my first time in southern Texas, and it was absolutely beautiful. But wish us luck. Thank you for following us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us so that you can keep up to date with where we're going and our goals with our aviary and our sanctuary. And thank you for supporting everything we do. Follow us on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on our Facebook. We also have Instagram and TikTok. Again, thank you for all of your support and keep it birdie. Ah. Let's go look at the front. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much. All right.